Hello guys, I hope you are fine. I'm NJ and I want to teach you everything I know about InDesign in this channel. This is the ninth part of the complete InDesign tutorial. If you haven't seen the previous episodes, I suggest you watch them first. If you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification, YouTube will let you know whenever I upload a new video. This will motivate me to produce more educational videos for you. Let's get started. Okay, I hope you had a great day today. Let's go to start the InDesign training full of energy. Let's first know a little more about the stroke and its details. As you can see, the photo in this document has a white stroke and I want to make changes on it. I select the photo and from the Properties panel in the Stroke section, we can increase or decrease the thickness from here. We can also change the shape of the stroke from this part. For example, I choose the dashed mode. From this part, I change the color of the stroke and I choose this color. Try the other styles yourself and practice. Okay, let's see what text wrap is and how we can use it. Sometimes when designing a page, we want the text to be placed in the margin and around the photo to make our design more beautiful. As you can see in this document, the text is placed around the photo, and by moving the image, the text moves and is placed around the photo again. Okay, I select the image and go to the Properties panel. In this section, you can see different modes and settings related to text wrap. The first icon is a mode without text wrap. If I click, you will see what happens to the photo and the text around it. Beside to no text wrap, we can see other different modes. The first is wrap around bounding box. The second is wrap around object shape. The third is jump object. And the last one is jump to new column, which is useful if you work with columns. Okay, let's run text wrap on our photo. Let's see how jump next is, and we will see that the text is in the best position compared to the photo. If you look around the photo, you will see that there is a gap between the photo and the text, and our text is not attached to the photo, which makes the length of the page more beautiful. If you pay attention to this part of the Properties panel, you will see four modes: top, bottom, left, and right, in which you can adjust the distance between the text and the photo. If we activate the chain as well, any number I choose for one, it will be applied to all. Well, let's skip this topic and go to a very cool possibility that we can do in the photos: changing the shape and frame of the photo. If you look closely at this picture, there is a square. If I want to change the shape of the frame of this photo, one way is to draw a circular frame and re-enter the image to be placed in the frame. I have to spend a lot of energy, but the cool way is to select the photo and go to the object menu, and from the convert shape submenu, we have many different modes to change the photo frame and choose each one we want. For example, I select rounded rectangle and the photo frame changes to this mode. Now let's choose the ellipse mode. First, I select the object menu, convert shape submenu and now ellipse, and the shape changes. As you can see, it's not a perfect circle. For this, I have to change the size of the frame to reach the full circle. Therefore, before doing this, make sure that the Auto Fit option is not checked in the Properties panel, because we want only the shape of the frame to change. And now I change the size of the frame to reach the full circle. You can practice the rest of the modes yourself on the pictures. Before I finish today's lesson, I will introduce you to another good possibility. If you look carefully at this picture, the corners are hard. If we want to make the image corners a little softer, when the image is selected from the Properties panel in the Appearance section, we have an option called Corner. In this section, we can change the size of the corners, and from here, change the corners of the image. For example, I will try the bevel and increase the size from here. That's very cool. Okay, now I will try rounded, and we will see that the shape of the corners is rounded. Note that this possibility is not only for images, and you can do the same thing on shapes as well. For example, I draw a rectangle and change the shape of the corners in the same way. Okay, that's now for this session. Now is the best time to practice, and practice well so you don't forget. And open as always, if you have any questions, be sure to ask in the comments. I will answer them all. Don't forget to like the video and send it to your friends. Be creative and energetic. Bye.